With fractional powers probably comes a lot of what the hell does this mean? Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay then, fractional powers, so this is higher only. Now, these look a lot scarier than they are. There are two parts to the power, top and bottom of the fraction. Each part does its own thing. So, let's get into it. Okay then, so we are going to start this adventure by looking at fractional powers that have a 1 on top. So, in general, the rule would be a to the power 1 over x is equal to the xth root of a. Now, that probably sounds mental. Again, the algebra makes these things look scarier than they are. So, let's have an example. Let's say we have 8 to the power 1/3. So, because we have a 3 on the bottom, this is asking for the cube root of 8. So, we say it's the third root of 8, which of course is 2. If we had 9 to the power 1/2, now it's a bit weird because that would mean the square root. Usually, when we're playing with indices, we don't worry about square roots having two answers. The square root of 9 is 3. It's also minus 3. But, as I say, when we play with indices, for some reason, we don't seem to care about the negatives. So, 9 to the power 1/2 means the square root of 9, which is 3. What about if we had 27 to the 1/3? That would mean the cube root of 27. Now the cube root of 27 is 3. What about 32 to the 1/5? So that is asking for the 5th root of 32. So let's try this. Okay, so 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. So the 5th root of 32 is 2. Let's do one more. Let's go 125 to the power of 1/3. So that's asking for the cube root of 125. Now 125 is 5 times 5 times 5, so the cube root is 5. Okay, so that's how we deal with the bottom part of fractional powers, so that's fine when there's only a 1 on top. Now we're going to look at powers with fractions where there isn't just a 1 on top. Okay, so just for completeness, I'm going to show you the rule. Don't go trying to remember it though, because it does look pretty scary. So, say that we have a to the power x over y. This means the y-th root of a to the power x. So, that's the rule, but let's ignore that because it looks horrible. What is really going to help us out here is the multiplication law for indices. So, that's this guy. So, say that we had a to the power b to the power q. We can simplify that to a to the power bq. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working from right to left. So we're going to split the fraction powers into the fraction with just a 1 on top, and then the number that was up on top. So, say that we had 8 to the power 2/3. Now, we are going to split that into 8 to the power 1/3 squared. Now we can do that because 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. So, now we can take care of the 8 to the 1/3. So we know that's asking for the cube root. So this is now 2 to the power of 2. So that's 4. So 8 to the power 2/3 is 4. So that we want 9 to the 3/2. Okay, so split it up in the same way. We're going to call this 9 to the 1/2 all cubed. Now, 9 to the power 1/2 is the square root of 9, so that's 3. So we now have 3 cubed, which is 27. Let's go for 16 to the 3/4. Now, at this point, it's worth pointing out we could do 16 cubed first, and then whatever that is, stick that to the power of 1/4. But do you want to work out 16 cubed? I know I don't. So we always do the bottom of the fraction first to make the number smaller, and then the top number or the top part of the fraction to then make it bigger. So we're going to say this is 16 to the 1/4 to the power 3. So 16 to the quarter is asking for the 4th root of 16, so that's 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So we have 2 to the power 3, which is 8. Okay, now let's stick some fractions to the power of fractions. Okay then, let's start with something like 4/9 to the power of 1/2. So all that means is 4 to the half over 9 to the half. So it's just the square root of both numbers. So that's going to be 2/3. What about something like 8/27 to the power of 2/3? Okay, so that means then 8 to the power of 1/3 over 27 to the 3rd all squared. So the cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 27 is 3. So we have 2/3 squared. That just means then we square the top, square the bottom, and we get 4/9. What about 64? 125 to the power 2/3. Well, that just means we cube root both numbers. So that's going to give us 4/5 to the power 2, which is 16 over 25. Okay then guys, that's it for this video. I really hope it's helped. If it has, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, get subscribed. Next up in the playlist, which is linked down below, we're going to do negative and fractional indices. And then I have another collection of past paper exam questions for higher only. It's going to be fun. Take it easy. Take care.